Just imagine owning your own slice of luxury paradise on an aisle. Now imagine that aisle was in the most desired neighborhood of one of the best cities in the entire country for quality of life. And as you drive up to your home on these peaceful, tree-lined neighborhood roads, past a picturesque golf course, you can't wait to unwind and enjoy the custom luxury construction home of your dreams. Welcome to 944 31st Terrace Northeast, the pinnacle of luxury aisle living in the heart of St. Pete. Situated in the ideal quiet nook of the coveted Snell Isle community, you will love the rare privacy that its oversized lot creates, while still having convenient access to all that downtown St. Pete has to offer. Its modern, stately facade provides a timeless, classy allure that welcomes you into your residence. With 5,450 heated square feet, 5 bedrooms, plus a bonus game room, plus a bonus study, 6 baths, a 3-car garage, and an expansive backyard oasis with an Amalfi Coast resort-worthy pool, this estate perfectly complements all of your personal, social, and familial wants and needs. As you enter your estate, you're greeted by a soaring foyer with 2-story, 22-foot ceilings and ample natural light shining through your large profile windows. Stroll into your showstopper kitchen with its oversized island for your everyday casual meals and entertaining nights, breakfast nook, expansive butler's pantry, custom-built floor-to-ceiling solid wood cabinetry, top-of-the-line Thermador appliance suite complete with natural gas range, as well as your very own custom built-in aromatic coffee bar to start your days off right. Its open floor plan seamlessly flows from the kitchen to the great room with 14-foot coffered ceilings and a floor-to-ceiling art-worthy fireplace. Open your sliders out to your private covered lanai, outfitted with his own grill master headquarters, with built-in artisan grill, professional trade-wind stainless steel hood, undermount stainless steel sink, 24-inch Danby stainless steel outdoor beverage refrigerator, bonus cabinetry, and granite countertops with a tiled exterior for that elevated aesthetic. The focal point of your weekends with friends and family will be around your resort-worthy Mini Pebbles aqua pool finished saltwater pool that will create an inviting light blue Caribbean watercolor. And don't forget your dedicated sunbathing deck, pavered lounge area, and spa. This rare, oversized lot for Snell Isle allows for ample green space around the pool and a spacious private backyard, perfect for the dog and kids to play, or even your own private putting green. It's a critical component of the vision of this home that truly makes it worthy of its estate title. Heading back inside, you'll love the large dedicated dining room for holidays and family celebrations, not to mention your museum-worthy custom glass wine display that you'll be able to customize with the builder. The first floor guest suite is complete with an ensuite walk-in closet and bathroom, 2-car garage on the north end of your property, and a 1-car garage on the south end of it. Your own dedicated spacious study for an ideal office, library, or flex room, extra storage space for your everyday essentials. A massive game room ready for your own personal customization with 12-foot tray ceilings, an extra full bathroom, and one of 2 dedicated laundry rooms in the estate located right off of the game room. Heading upstairs, you'll want to take a minute to appreciate the glass-lined floating catwalk with an eagle's eye view of the centerpiece foyer that connects the east and west wings of the second floor. Your dream owner's suite offers supreme privacy and comfort with its own private balcony, incredible spa-like ensuite primary bathroom, and huge walk-in closet fit for royalty. Your third and fourth bedrooms both feature their own ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets, while your fifth bedroom is worthy of a primary suite status with its own dedicated reading nook, large walk-in closet, and luxury ensuite bathroom. If you're the type of person who doesn't like to compromise for less than the best and would prefer to customize your dream home's finishes instead of them already being picked out for you, do not hesitate on this one. With generous budgets and a wide variety of selections for finishes, you can truly make this luxury Isle estate in the heart of St. Pete your dream home. Make sure to reach out to us to gain access to this estate supporting videos, best restaurants, best beaches, best outdoor spots, best day trips, everyday essentials, and more that this ideal location provides you. And if you have any more questions for me or you want to get some more information, call, text, or email me. I look forward to chatting with you soon.